Security warning. For official use only. All individuals handling this information are required to protect it from unauthorized disclosure. This information should be disseminated on a need-to-know basis via controlled media, CD, mobile hard drive, paper, etc. Do not transmit this material via any unsecured email network. This document is a product of Critical Solutions International. It is not for public use, but is intended for use by authorized personnel. This information is not to be released without written authorization from Critical Solutions International. Destroy this material when no longer needed. PMCS item number 25. Interval before. Item to be checked or serviced. Hood and front grille. Procedure 1. Check for missing, damaged, or loose hood. Procedure 2. Check for missing, damaged, or loose hood latches. Equipment not readily available if both hood latches missing. Procedure 3. Check for binding, broken, or missing hinges. Procedure 4. Check for missing, damaged, or loose struts. Procedure 5. Check for missing, damaged, or loose front grille. Procedure 6. Check power steering reservoir and components for leaking, missing, or loose hardware. Equipment not ready available if Class 3 leak, missing, or loose hardware. Procedure 7. Check power steering fluid level in sight glass. Fill as necessary. Refer to Husky 2G operator manual for additional information and procedures.